Hey folks, Bayan here with WAV Technical Operations Team. Here to talk to you about a name synonymous with quality and durability. A name you're all familiar with, Superior Essex, are one of our premier vendors. Some of my favorite things about this cable, this is the plenum indoor rated. It's also available in riser cable. First of all, it comes in a pop box configuration. A pop box is obviously there's no reel inside, which makes the box a lot lighter. The cable itself comes in a crisscross formation in here, and there's an elongated tube and an oval payout tube on the box, which makes pulling this cable a breeze without having to worry about it getting kinked or caught or anything like that. One of the other things I love about this is each cable comes with a unique cable ID. A lot of technicians out there that go out and do these installs, and you pull a bundle and take it to multiple rooms. You have to put like electrical tape on it or color identifier on it or put numbers on them. Well, Superior Essex thought about that for you and took that part of it, that piece out of the equation. It's already comes with a unique cable ID. This one, for example, is AQ51. So when you pull a bunch of these along with a whole bunch of other ones, you'll know AQ51 ended up in room A or B or wherever it was. One of the other things I really like about this is the tip conductors. The tip conductors, rather than for ease of identification, the cables are actually tinted. They're not, they don't have a stripe and a color on them. They're either green or light green or orange and light orange. It makes the cable really easy to identify. So, a lot of thought went into this, and Superior Essex did a really great job. Thought about the technicians and the installers, and put out a really great product. Yeah, these are the three things I really like about this. That's it. It's a great product. We stock these. We stock in multiple colors: green, blue, white, orange, yellow, whatever you want. We got them. Visit our website for technical documentations. Check our inventory levels. Thank you for listening. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell. The next time we got a great product to demonstrate, you guys will get a notification. Bye, guys.